In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a task from your list in ClickUp. Whether you're clearing up completed tasks or simply organizing your workspace, removing tasks is a straightforward process that ensures your to-do lists remain clutter-free and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to clickup.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your email and password. Logging into your account will bring you to your ClickUp dashboard, where you can see all your workspaces and more. Once logged in, you'll want to select the workspace where the task you're looking to delete is located. Workspaces in ClickUp are like your organizational hubs. You might have one for different teams within your company or for various personal projects. Choose the appropriate workspace that holds the list containing the task you want to remove. After selecting your workspace, the next step is to access the specific list. In ClickUp, a list typically holds related tasks, often grouped by project or theme. Locate the list where your task is residing. You may see the names of the list displayed on the left panel if your workspace is set up to show this. Click on it, and the list should reveal the individual tasks you've created. Now, look through your list and find the task you're ready to delete. Hover over this task and you'll see a 3 dots icon, often referred to as the More Options or Actions menu. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu of actions you can take on this specific task. It's a handy feature that allows for quick adjustments right in the task list view. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Delete. Carefully click on this, and ClickUp will usually ask for confirmation to ensure that you're intentionally trying to remove this task. This step is crucial because once deleted, tasks may be difficult to recover, depending on your settings or the permissions set by your workspace admin. Remember, deleting a task is a permanent action. Once confirmed, the task will be removed from your list and you'll see your list refreshed, sans the task you've just deleted. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a task from your ClickUp list. This simple process helps keep your list clean and prevents your workspace from becoming overwhelming. Whether you're tidying up or making room for new projects, understanding how to manage and delete tasks efficiently is a key part of maximizing ClickUp's potential for productivity. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Now go ahead and clear away those tasks with confidence.